Good morning, everybody, from the Mount Whitney Trail. It is approximately 6 a.m. close to Lone Pine Lake. I'm glad you joined me. This video is about how to successfully hike Mount Whitney in a day, what to do and what not to do. I've been up this guy 12 times. This will be my 13th summit. This trail hundreds of times as a kid and all that. So I'm going to show you points and areas to look out for if you're new doing this. Let's get started. Okay, this is one of the first areas I want to show everybody. This is dangerous, okay? See, here's part of the trail. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Switchbacks right here. Well, at nighttime, if you're coming down this, it's dark, there's no stars, no moon. Okay, your lamp's not that good first time. Look what can happen. Let's just follow through, you're not paying attention, and off you go, right? So this is one of the first areas that is dangerous. Unfortunately, many people have fallen off. Hopefully the Forest Service maybe can build something right here, because this is a dangerous, that's the first one of many dangerous areas up here that I will show you, okay? So make sure to get past this point before it's dark. That's the best way to ensure of not having a fall. Okay guys, this is the part of the trail where it's very dangerous. So this is the trail. Well, you really can't see, right? Because it's all granite. Anyway, the trail comes from up here and it comes right down through here. Then it turns that way. See the rocks right there? It turns that way, okay? This is very dangerous. What happens is at nighttime, people just keep going straight. They keep going straight to this pinch mark right here. And as you can see, this is a huge drop off right here. People have lost their lives here, unfortunately. And I don't know if it was this area or the next one. There's a next benchmark up there. But last November, a gal fell down here, and it was just really heartbreaking. So try to get to this point before dark. It's so important. I can't stress how important that is. All right, guys, this is one of the worst spots right here on the trail, okay? Even going up, obviously it's daylight, I know where I'm going, okay? But we're gonna switch over here. Trail goes right up through here, okay? It's really hard to see. Nighttime, it's even harder, even with a headlamp. So I'm coming down at night, and I have no clue that there's a couple 100-foot drop off right there. Dad's toward Mirror Lake. So this area here needs to be fixed with some rocks here that are stacked maybe 2 feet high. That's what I would do, because it is very dangerous. People have slipped and fallen as well here, and it's very tragic. So again, best thing you can do is get here before dark. I'm going to stress that a lot. Leave no trace means leave no trace. Don't be one of those holes that leave stuff like this here, because they're obviously not going to pick that up on the way back. Okay, so pick your stuff up. There's hundreds and hundreds of other people that are coming up here that don't want to see this, okay? So on the way back, that's what I do. I pick up stuff. Yeah, haul out someone else's poop. But you know what? I do it for you guys. Anyway, don't be an ass. Pack out your shat. So guys, it's June 14th, 2021, and there's hardly any snow on the switchbacks. So we had a really dry year. 2 dry years in a row. As you look up here, you can see the first sighting of Trail Crest, right straight ahead. All right guys, this is it. The wind's not blowing right now. It's a good time. Anyway, you can see, this is the junction. This way here is the John Muir Trail. Do not go that way. You're gonna go up. You're gonna go up, okay? Look at the signs. You can see all these JMTers or even PCTers who drop their bags here because they're not gonna take them up to the summit with them, okay? So, day hikers, stay to the right, okay? You're gonna go this way. Look at the sign. Mount Whitney, 1.9 miles, okay? So, when you're coming back down, I'm not gonna film this part when I come back down. Many people have made the mistake. I don't see how you can, because it says Whitney Portal 8.7. Okay? But they have gone this way down to Crabtree. They've gone all the way to Crabtree Meadows, which is, I just don't understand that. So I'm gonna stay over here because of the wind. So don't do that. People want to have a better sign. I really don't know why. That's a pretty good sign. Maybe it can be taller, I don't know. Put a sign maybe over this area. Anyway, guys, you come back down and stay to the left. So I'm gonna go to Whitney. Got you, didn't I? This is the wrong way. I'm on the back side of Whitney right now. Got about a quarter of a mile left onto the top. And just like that, the summit. Let's get to it. Never come in here in a lightning storm, ever. Okay? The final tip of the day. I'm out of here. Whitney is over. I'm glad you joined us. And yeah, that's it. Hello everybody, I'm on Horseshoe Meadow Road here. Beautiful Owens Lake. LA people, you took all this water, it's gone. It used to be a lake a long time ago, probably looked amazing. But you know, you can still see the bed, and that is Lone Pine right there. For a successful summit, everyone who are climbing Whitney in a day, come up to Horseshoe Meadow. It's not that far away, maybe 25 miles or so from Whitney Portal, and stay the night. You're at 10,000 feet. You're gonna get acclimated quick. I do it, even though I have no problems with acclimation, I still do it. Okay, it's a good place to stay. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna go show you more when I get up there. Yeah. Horseshoe Meadows sits around about 10,000 feet in elevation. It's a great place to stay before your day hike on Mount Whitney. You can either stay at New Army Pass Trailhead or the Cottonwood Pass Trailhead. I usually stay at the Cottonwood Pass Trailhead. Great campsites. They're huge, and as you can see, there's bare storage boxes, there's a camp fire ring, and also a table to sit at. But definitely make sure you store all your food in the provided bear boxes, because this is a highly active bear area. And as you can see, there's plenty of space to put all your food in there. So definitely do that, okay guys? Make sure you store all your food. And as you can see, there's plenty of running water, as well as vaulted toilets and trash bins to dispose of all your trash. And in this area is the bulletin board. And as you can see, it's $6 per night. Usually tells you how long the season will last, which is usually November 1st is when they close it down. And then of course, just other bulletins and notices for your information and stuff. So when you're all done reading here, make sure you go ahead and grab an envelope and fill it out appropriately, put your money in there,